recording?
Yeah. So what's the game called?
Mega Force.
It's not for you, Zoe. It's not for you.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Yo.
You sure about that?
I was like, make sure you get a shot of her. Genesis Seal? Hey!
Can't just tear these either.
No, they were like freaking super plastic.
That would be.
You just try keeping a blade down here.
We have
I was
this.
gonna say use that bottle opener thing we have, but I don't know where that
Oh
is.
yeah, he used that to open the advent calendar. Or use this unbent paper clip. I was telling Dad we still need to do day 3 of this advent calendar here. Yeah.
I guess this wouldn't have accidentally came open at all.
Yeah.
Probably get jammed up in that freaking mail machine and break it before it would come over.
My God. What do they
You like
pack?
wrap the whole thing with tape.
What do they pack it in concrete?
That was the next step.
There it is, Ron. Look, it's even, that's what the noise was. It got broken in shipping. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they got broken.
Shit.
Oh
Mega
my gosh.
Force.
At least it's
You got-
not like one of the parts
you got-
that it actually goes in.
Got broken in shipping and it was packaged that tight. Look at that. Maybe that's why. Maybe when he wrapped it, it cracked it.
Maybe
I
the,
don't know, but
or the
we heard it
pressure.
rattling, huh?
Yeah, we were.
We're like, it's not supposed to make this noise. So there's,
You were shaking all the games, and you were like, "Oh, this one rattles." That's just this little part inside of it.
so let's see, what do you want me to try it?
Yeah.
See if it works.
Oh, hi Zoe.
See if this game works.
Oh, hi Zoe. All right. Let's see.
There ain't no broken plastic.
Oh.
Go. It works. Let's see. Watch out, Zoe. Alright, let's see. I've never played it before. Oh yeah,
What's
it's
up,
firing. I was saying it's kind of like a Defender clone.
Uh-huh.
Like a style.
Yeah.
Like you play, you know? See, because you could go back this way too. There's those fuel tanks we were watching that guy blow up. Whoa, seizure alert, seizure alert. Yeah, look, it's like a motorcycle. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's,
Little
cool.
flyer.
Yeah, it's just like a motorcycle. And then when you take off, it's like a ship.
Yeah. The camera just like got out of focus.
Seizure, no wonder people were seizing watching or playing these games. Yeah, look, it even looks like he's up there like this on it.
Yeah, like
That's not bad.
when we were kids, this was like top of the line.
State of the art video game technology when you were kids.
You have to go to the arcade and put quarters in. You just keep playing until your fingers hurt. Like with these controllers 20 seconds later.
At the arcade, you just had to play it till your wallet's hurt.
Exactly. I remember my brother stealing a whole big jar of quarters at my parents' house and taking it up to the
Just
Circle
dumping
K
it
and
in
fucking
my
spending
God.
it all on arcade games.
Oh my God.
Probably
Oh,
took
yeah.
years to collect, and he took like 20 minutes to spend.
He got in a lot of trouble for that one.
Oh my God, I
Yeah,
bet.
Malibu got a lot of my money. A lot of the food stamp money.
Didn't know you could spend food stamps on
I
arcade
remember I
games.
got busted drinking at Malibu.
Really?
We went to Wendy's and got a cup. Well, no, actually, we got a cup from them from inside. And then we went
Can I get
outside,
20
cup of
quarters?
ice,
Kid, this is
and
a
then we
food
went outside
stamp.
and we had some beers that we stole from our mom that we poured in the cup and then put the lid back on, and we went in and we were playing games and drinking our beer. And I don't know if they smelled our breath at some point when we went up probably to turn in some tickets. And they're like, hey, come here, let me see that. And they opened up the cup and they're like, you guys are going to have to leave. You know, we were young too. We rode our bikes up there, so we were probably only like 14.
Oh my God.
Stole some beer out of the fridge.
It's like when I told you about my homecoming when I was a freshman, the guy that freaking came to homecoming and he had like
Yeah,
his
so it
Taco Bell
works. That's
cup,
cool.
and it was full of booze.
Oh, look, you
He
can
sat
shoot
down
those
and was
buildings.
dancing around
I
it.
didn't realize that.
Yeah, I know he was drunk. He was funny enough. He set down his Taco Bell cup and he was dancing around it. Everybody was cheering him on. I'm pretty sure he got kicked out because they knew he was drunk. I think he had booze in that cup.
Yeah, I think of drunk people, you know, one guy comes to mind. Dino from Reno. When we're at Mark's house for that party, the guy showed up out of the neighborhood and he's like, hi, I'm Dino from Reno.
I remember going to the party over there.
Yeah, I was at Mark's house over there off of 92nd when he lived in the house with him and Deanna.
I remember that guy that was fucking in drag for that party. He was funny.
That same party?
Yeah, I think it was Deanna's brother. Wasn't it Deanna's brother was fucking dressed in drag, like really bad drag?
Oh, no, I remember we went over there for a Halloween party too.
Yeah, it was the Halloween party.
That other time.
He was dressed in drag.
It was a party.
It was the Halloween party when we went over there and her brother was dressed in like really bad drag.
I remember we went to that Halloween party and I walked up the stairs and those chicks walked by me and they go, that dude's fucking ugly.
When you had that costume on?
Yeah, the trailer parking.
My God.
I remember when Jimbo almost punched you because he didn't know who you
Yeah.
were and you were all fucking getting up on him.
I was like, what's up, bro? And he's like, you better get away from me, dude.
He didn't know who your dad was. Jimbo almost punched
But
you.
you got the wig and everything, and
He
probably
had
the
the
fake
teeth in
teeth.
and everything, yeah. And he hadn't shaved, so his face was all scraggly looking and
Oh my
shit, too.
God.
And he's like,
Yeah.
you better get away from me, he was telling me.
Yeah. He came in and he told me, I almost punched Uncle Joe. I was like, what? And he goes, I didn't know who he was. And he's all getting up all close on me going, what's up? He's like, I was ready to
Trailer
punch him.
parking.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's cool, it works.
And he
Yeah.
said, Anthony told him, that's Uncle Joe, dude. He's like, what?
So that's a Mega Force. With even broken, it still works.
Cool.